heard your nation's call, a battle cry to war, to stop those who would destroy our land. You did not hesitate, you stepped up to the plate and ran to heed your country's call. You packed up all your gear, set right all your affairs, then kissed your family goodbye. Shipped out beyond our shores, onto foreign soil, not knowing when you would return. We thank you for the stand you take to put yourself into harm's way. Know that every day we pray and think of you. When we look into your eyes, we salute you with great pride, for the red, white, and blue in your heart. Many served before